Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. Question number one. What does the poet write on his paper boats? The answer is the poet writes his name and the name of his village on the paper boats. Question number two. Why does he write on his paper boats? Answer is the poet hopes that someone in a strange land will find his boats and know who he is. Question number three. Why does the poet loads his boat with flowers? The answer is the poet wants the flowers from his garden to experience a journey and be carried safely to another land in the paper boats. Question number four. What is sent down by the playmate? The answer is the playmate in the sky sends down little clouds in the air to race with the paper boats. Question number five. In what ways are the clouds like the boat? The answer is the clouds also seem to have white bulging sails like the boat. Question number six. What happens in the poet's dream? The answer is he dreams that his paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. Reference to context. The hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely. The first one is which blooms is the poet speaking of? The answer to this is the poet is speaking of Shivli flowers. Reference to context. Question number two is where are the blooms and how did they get there? The answer is the blooms are in the poet's paper boats. He loads the paper boats with them before sending them floating down the stream. Reference to context. Question number three. How and where does the poet hope the blooms will be carried? The answer is the poet hopes the blooms will be carried safely to the land in the night. Question number C. Words and meanings. The first one is what is the difference between the words listed below? You can look in the dictionary for help. The first one is stream, a body of running water. River, large body of water flowing to the sea. Brook, a small stream of fresh water. B1 is paper, sheet for writing made of wood pulp. Cardboard, hard, stiff paper used to make boxes. Card, small pieces of hard paper. The C1 is load, heavy thing to be carried. Weight, the heaviness of an object. Cargo, goods carried by ship or aircraft. Question number two, circle the odd man out. First one is brook, stream, dam, river, rivulet. The answer is dam. Second one is merry, happy, joyful, cheerful, tearful. The answer is tearful. Third one is noise, silence, sound, racket, din. The answer is silence. D1 is cherry, mango, plum, banana. And the answer is banana. So friends, we end our lecture over here. Do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.